FragWatch here. We're going to be unboxing the Hitscan Hyperlight and its 8K dongle. Start with this little dongle here. Let's see if I can open it up. Let's watch me struggle for a bit. Open it out here. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Kind of excited. I've heard good things about this mouse. Finally got that Logitech Superlight off my desk, so this finally gets to be tested. Very happy about that. Okay, let's cut to the chase here. Let's get this pen. And much better. Okay, why are we making boxes like this, folks? There we go. Okay. 8K dongle. Boom. So we got little puck. Okay. I don't know why I just clicked the pen. Kind of ridiculous. Okay, is there a sticker on this? No. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Foam on the underside, protecting our little mouse boy here. Comes out real nice. Okay. We got their normal puck inside. Okay. It's like, got the cord. Got a stiff cord. And instruction booklet. Discord invite. And looks like skates. Does this come with skates? Nope. Put your own on. Alright, you guys want to watch me fail? I had somebody comment on how I fail. At how I could possibly fail at these middle mouse skates. Well, let me move my mic here. Let's watch me watch me fail at this. There's two of them here. There's one on each pad. So let's watch me fail at this. Okay. Let's see. I'm already fucking failing. Jesus Christ. Just stick that right there. Maybe I should have left that on. We're going to find out, aren't we? Gentle. See, I got it off center already. Oh, yeah, they're gonna critique the hell out of this. See, I got it fucking crooked, man. God, I'm so bad at this. Get on there, you son of a bitch. Man, that thing's fucking creaking a lot. Jesus. I don't know whether I got that. Yeah, it's even. That's why I fucking hate putting those on myself. Oh my God, it's crooked. Is that crooked? That looks crooked. God damn it. Oh my God, it is. See, and just like I said in my comment to that guy, I'm going to try and fix it and I'm going to end up fucking everything up. Okay. That's the unboxing of the Hitscan Hyperlight. First outing. Let me give you a little. Let's see if I like the grip. Hey. Wow. Nice. Ooh. Ooh. Crispy. Crispy. All right. This is gonna be fun. I'll put the skates on this. And here, let's make the video a little bit longer. Put some skates on this. Yeah, you guys can watch me absolutely fail at this. I am like the worst at putting skates on. Okay. So I like dot skates because I like, is this how this skate goes? Damn it. I only wanted to move it a millimeter. Fuck. Okay. Maybe it goes like that. Yeah. Get that bad boy right Okay. Skate 1 done. I swear I'm fucking doing this wrong. Skate 2. Getting her done. Okay. Skate 3. Okay, hold on. Let's game plan this. Okay, skate 3. Try and like do it blind. Okay. I'd like to hear in the comments how bad I am at this. It's just like so. I can't believe that was my fat fingers, man. It's gonna be like that's my get out of jail free card on this skate business. It's just bad, fat fingers. Yeah. That one's crooked. See, I got it fucking. My ring's crooked. Damn it. All right, that's that video, folks. FragWatch out. Catch you guys in the next one. Got another 2 unboxings to do today. Pretty excited to get some new mice on my desk. Hell yeah. Catch you guys in the next one.